Magix Audio Cleaning Lab is the perfect tool for restoring, optimizing and burning music. For example, with records, cassette recordings, speech or MP3 files from the internet. This introduction video will give you an idea of how easy and quickly everything works. First, the program offers a selection of the most important use cases. If you want to import and clean a vinyl LP, for instance, simply click on the Restore Vinyl Sound use case. Magix Audio Cleaning Lab now automatically offers all suitable presets for recording as well as manual or automatic sound editing. This way you can reach your goal even easier. Of course, you can use the full range of cleaning and mastering tools later too. A maximum of 3 steps is required to reach your goal. The import page is where you record music and import files. The actual editing, restoring and mastering follows on the pages Cleaning and Mastering. File export and CD or DVD burning is performed on the Export page. On the import page, music is recorded or imported as a file from the hard disk or CD. For recording from a stereo system, the line out or headphone output should be connected to the line in port of your PC. Next, open the recording dialog. Play the music to set the gain properly. Make sure that the recording level doesn't exceed 0 dB, otherwise unpleasant digital distortions may result. Even during recording, you can divide complete albums or cassettes into individual CD tracks. Songs are automatically recognized thanks to the pauses, and track markers are set accordingly. Start the recording by pressing the Record button. End it with Stop. Besides restoring and mastering tasks, Audio Cleaning Lab can also be used for comfortably editing and adding transitions and surround sound, plus much more. In the upper area, you can see the window which displays the musical waveform. This includes the practical and convenient Overview track, which makes navigating to an individual audio file or project very easy. Simply stretch open an area, quickly jump to the noise with a click, or adjust the size of the selected display range with the mouse wheel and the Control key pressed down. This lets you effectively navigate through audio files that need to be edited. Begin playback by pressing the play button or the space bar. The play cursor can be positioned anywhere simply by clicking with the mouse. Shift individual audio objects with the mouse or set a new order. The CD track markers can also be moved using the mouse. This also regroups the CD tracks. You can set the volume or a fade in, out for each audio object by using the handles. To the left beside the waveform are the tools for cutting longer waveforms, for deleting, or for adjusting the length of audio objects. The cleaning page is used to remove audio disturbances from the music, such as crackling, popping, humming, overmodulation and hissing. You can choose whether cleaning will take place fully automatically, to start the step-by-step assistant and follow along step-by-step, or execute all of the effect settings manually. You also have useful presets for the most common restoring tasks. Every effect has a fader for fast editing. You can open presets via the Template field. If you want to get deeper into editing, open the relevant effects rack. You have access to useful information about the effects, proper application, and typical sound examples of every effect via the Info Monitor. Additional help is available for each effect via Help. Every adjustment you make here will have an effect on all of the objects in the arranger. You can also remove individual disturbances such as coughing and clapping directly in Spectral Cleaning view. All you have to do is select the audio material you would like to remove. You can then remove it with a click. You can also edit the audio material manually and remove exactly what you want. For detailed editing, the program comes with its own dedicated spectral cleaning editor. On the right-hand side of the effect area, you can find the mastering effects for sound optimization. Use the mastering effects to improve brightness, stereo image, dynamics, and much more. You also have the opportunity to work with the step-by-step assistant here, or select helpful presets. However, Audio Cleaning Lab is not limited to the supplied sound effects. External sound effects can also be integrated using the standard VST and DirectX interfaces. As was already mentioned, the changes affected here will be applied to all audio files. If you want to work on individual effects, then you can access object effects via the Object FX button. The changes you make here will only be applied to the selected object. On the export page, the cleaned and optimized music is exported as a file or burned onto CD or DVD. Magix Audio Cleaning Lab can burn audio CDs, data CDs, and DVDs. First of all, the individual tracks have to be prepared for export. A track marker should be positioned in front of each title. You can only jump between track titles during playback on a CD player if track markers were placed in front of a title before the CD was burned. Track markers can be inserted manually or automatically using the marker button. To burn an audio CD or data disc, simply press the corresponding button. You can also burn your music with surround sound. Magix Audio Cleaning Lab supports all Dolby Pro Logic compatible surround sound systems. Before burning, activate the surround function in the track window. In the surround dialog, position the virtual speakers according to the recommended loudspeaker placement of your surround system. Practical? If you like, you can shut down your computer automatically after burning or after successful timed recordings. You can also export your music tracks into common formats like WAV, WMA, MP3, FLAC or Ogg Vorbis. Magix Audio Cleaning Lab provides endless possibilities for restoring your music collection quickly and easily. All it takes is 3 steps: record, edit, burn. We hope you enjoy using Magix Audio Cleaning Lab, your Magix team.